in this video, we're going to do an arm lift for the ladies, okay? So we're going to go back in that closed position and give you a different angle on this. So let's go ahead and get started. So closed position, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. You see that? All right, let's try that again. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very nice. You can see how that's working, right? So let's take it from the side angle. Let's do it from this angle. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. So from those angles, you can see that I'm actually going underneath her arm and lifting it up, just giving her a little signal, and she does a little styling with it, which is really cool for the follower, by the way. So if you need more detail about that, what do you need to do? Private lesson style videos, okay? And practice, practice, practice.
Yes.
Cool, that is huge. So watch this video over and over together apart, but come on back for the next pattern.